Hey friends, locked out of your Rapid PayCard account but still can't access funds even while it's charging? No worries, in this short guide I'll show you the proven steps to unlock your card. So firstly, try calling customer support, dial the number on the back of your PayCard, and follow the IVR voice prompt to reach a live agent. When prompted, press 4, then 0. Even if it asks for your info, just keep tapping 0. This bypass often connects you to a real person faster than giving personal details. If your card is new or locked due to no activation, download the Rapid Pay app or visit rapidfs.com, log in and enter your 16-digit card number plus your info to unlock it. For forgotten PIN or locked due to attempts, use the Forgot PIN link or tap through the app to reset. And once unlocked, whether by phone or app, log back in to the cardholder site. You should regain full access to check balance, make transfers and use your card. And that's how to unlock your Rapid Pay card quickly. Save your day, smash the like button and subscribe for more finance fixes. See you soon.